ito, pagka-empleyado mo to, pag sinabihan mo, huwag mo na pakialaman. Ayaw nila pinapakialaman sila. These people are called the controllers. They're the ones who will say, my way. In other words, everything they do, sa aking paraan. Hindi sa kanila, hindi sa inyo, kanino? Sa aking paraan. Kaya sila minsan, mahiksi ang pasensya. Mabilis uminit ang ulo. Nagagalit agad kasi hindi nagagawa yung kaninong paraan sa kanila. Now, tingnan natin sila. Yan madalas nakakunot noo. Sometimes, nakasimangot. Mabilis makapamewa. Laging mabilis. Ayaw nagwe-waste ng time. Very formal manamit. They take care of themselves, presentation-wise. What's positive about controllers? Number one, natural-born leaders. They will always take up leadership. They're hardworking and responsible. Pag sumobra ang pagiging controller, hindi rin maganda. Why? They have a tendency na madaling maubos ang pasensya. How to motivate a controller? You have to give them what? You have to give them result. If you're dealing with people who are controllers, make sure you deliver results sa kanila. Kasi pag walang result, magalit sila. They will tell you directly, nasaan ang result? Anong nangyari? Kaya nasasabihin nila. What's unique about them? They're independent, decisive, in control, goal-centered, action-driven. Pag sumobra, intolerant, insensitive, arrogant, and impulsive.